Hello, this is an example on how we can create a waterway design. We've been given a text file that's got the alignment in it, but first of all we'll start a new job and file new. We'll call it waterway example 1. So as I said, we've got a text file which we're going to import. This is just a text file that's got the alignment of the drain in it. So click import, variable ASCII. Now this file's got an extension of txt, so we'll change that there, and it's rl0002.txt. Click open. Now we haven't got a previously saved format, we haven't done this before, so untick that and then just click next. Now this file has got 5 columns. First column's a station/chainage column, second one's a northing, third one's easting, fourth is height, and the fifth one is a station/template name. So we've got 5 records. And next, now we don't need to import the station data. Easy grade, you can figure that out from the northing and easting. So the second field is northing. Yep, that's skip. Second one's northing, third one's easting, and just a picked up height. Click finish. Start numbering the points at once. That's okay, so accept that. Now we've only got points to make up the alignment, so we haven't actually got a surface, so just say no here. And these are our points we've picked up. If you have a look up here, they're the natural surface heights. There's no design heights on them. And you'll notice quite a few of them haven't got heights. Easy grade will just interpolate heights linearly between those for us later on when we create an automatic drain from it. So click on drain, auto drain. So what we're doing here, we're creating a drain from this alignment, and we're going to say the alignment of the drain can have nodes 20 feet apart, and we need a width of 100 both sides, so it's 200. Just accept the point ranges, everything in the job. Click OK. This is dialog, just tells us what we're actually going to do here, or what it's going to do for us. Right, so what it's done, it's also created some points right and left of this alignment, and it's created a drain that runs along the center of what all the points we've picked up. At the moment we haven't got any profiles, we haven't got any sections. Just left click on the drain to make sure it's highlighted and click profile. Now what we see here is a side view of the center of our new waterway/design. If you look to the left, you can click look to the right, you can click add, and you can physically put points in if that's what you desire, or Easy Grade's a bit smart, it can do it for you if you can set tell it what sort of minimum depths it's after and grades and things. So we'll just let Easy Grade do us for us. It'll say 20 meters or 20 feet between our points. Now we're looking, it's going up a hill here, so we've got to change these minimum maximum grades, otherwise it won't work. 0.03, maximum grade 3, and the type is a natural, it's because we've only got a profile for the natural surface. Click run. That just put those points on the profile for us, so click profile to turn that down. Now if you look at that, Easy Grade has actually created a drain for us. It's used a default section. We need to create our own section, so click on sections. Look at and what we've been given a just a table that defines how the section's drawn. So click on the include table. Now we've got to type this in. We know at offset 0, the height is 0. We need to code these points as well. So we'll just say the center line's the center line, but put an L in front for the left, LCL. At 12 feet out, height's still 0. We'll just code this as L1. Then we go to 72 feet, and we know the height is 9 feet. And we'll code that as L2. At 76 feet out, we're still at 9 feet, so we've got a bit of a bank there. We'll code that as L3. And at 80 feet out, we drop back to 7 feet, and that's L4. So that's our left side, and our right side's going to be the same. So go to the right side, 0, 0, RCL, 12, 0, R1, 72, at 9 is R2, 76 at 9 is R3, 80 is 7 and is R4. Make sure that's ticked. Just bad as well to use 100% at the edges. I haven't been told anything differently, but you know, you just put in whatever you like here, as long as it's going to intersect in the width you've allocated for the corridor for the drain or waterway. Click OK and click recalculate. Right, if you look at this, the contours look a bit close. Just click on properties and change the contour interval from 5 feet and 1 foot. Okay, it looks a bit, you can probably see a bit better what's happening. So if you look here, that's the center of the drain. It's flat, goes out 12 feet, then it rises up to 72 feet out. Then at 76 to 76 feet, it's flat. Then it drops a little bit to 80. Then we're battering off back to the natural surface there. So that's basically our design. Now if we want to just go out in the field and create that with our tractor, we need to have a finished surface. This drain sort of just floats on top of the model. We need to merge that into the model. So if you click on merge drain, and what it's asking for here, it's saying, do we want to put this in as a design or part of the natural surface? We want to put it in as the design, so just click OK. And you can ignore that, it's just a default thing we've got going. A debug thing. So now turn off the drain icon so we don't see what the design. And if you go to the design surface, and that's our design surface, let's turn off the heights. And what I actually like to colour the field. You can see a little bit better what's happening. So if you click on the surface colours up here, make sure you're looking at surface to design, click on surface colours. Just tick that, and just shade by height. We don't need a bump map. Click OK. And there's our waterway we can go out and create in the field. If you want to get rid of this little infill here, you can click on contour, edit model, select triangles with intersecting line, left click, move, left click again. Now hit the enter key, hit the delete key. Just say no, because when we hit the delete key, it was trying to delete everything that was highlighted. The drain was still selected, so make sure you say no here. And you can reform the contour if you like.